Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's second splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more monthly recurring commissions have recently come in. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how you can join Second Splash for free. And even as a free member, you can start to earn these monthly recurring commissions. You can also get viral passive traffic to promote your offers as a free member. And a bit later on in the video, I'm going to show you a free done for you funnel that we've set up, all free resources and tools where you can promote one link and you can earn multiple income streams with this system. So I'm live here in my Gmail account, and this is where I get my notifications for Second Splash. And they give you an email, and you'll see this one here is for $10. And even as a free member, so I'm an upgraded member. I got, show you here, I got a free upgraded account because I'd had some degree of success with Easy Cash for Ads, which is the sister product of Second Splash. So they gave me a free upgraded Platinum Pro membership. But what happens is that as a free member, you can earn 25% monthly recurring commissions. So you don't have to be upgraded. You can remain free forever. And this would be, so for me, it's $10. This would be $5. And you not only get viral passive traffic, you also get these monthly recurring commissions. So I'm live here in my back office here. I'll just touch on the traffic here for a second, because you'll see here that I'm 49 clicks, 38 clicks. I'm already getting clicks with this system to my offers. So you create these splash pages here, and you can quadruple your traffic with this system. Once you set up your system here, you just put a capture page here, and if I just click on there and copy that URL and go into here, then you'll see I'm promoting. When they click on my splash page, that takes them to my lead capture page. So that's what I recommend you do. You go from the splash page and you then promote a lead capture page. So you can use this system to build your list. It's very, very clever. You're piggybacking off other affiliates. It's a great way. It quadruples your traffic. The link in the description will give you a free account. And then when you set up your free account, everything's in here. All you go into this tab here is how it works. And then it gives you all the information in here that you need to see how everything works within this system. This commissions here is what I'm due to be paid out. So the commissions that you earn in February will get paid out in March. And if I go and click to view, you'll see my total here of $178. There's even a high ticket one here. This one's $97 here. So this $97 is one of my referrals. They paid for a full year upfront as a membership. So sometimes your referrals will do that. So even if you were a free member, you would have, that's a 50% commission, you would have got 25% of that. So it's a nice way to earn monthly recurring commissions and also get viral passive traffic. I want to touch a little bit on this bonus income here. So like I mentioned before, the owners of Second Splash own Easy Cash for Ads. So this bonus income is a great way to not only get referral commission within Second Splash, but it's also a great way to earn passive income as well, because they put Easy Cash for Ads into the funnel here. I won't go into great detail about that today, but all you do again is you go into how this works and you click on bonus income, and that will explain everything in here about how Easy Cash for Ads works, the compensation plan, the reasons to join, and you just put your information here when you join. You join here, put your username in here, and then any of your referrals. That's a one-time payment of $19. So a one-time payment here. That's not a monthly recurring payment, but you can earn passive income from Easy Cash for Ads. I'll just show you that here. So I'm an Easy Cash for Ads member. I'm live here in my back office. If you go onto my channel, you'll see all my results on there from promoting Easy Cash for Ads for quite some time. I've been earning commissions now for I think 18 or 19 months in a row. Every single month commissions have come in with Easy Cash for Ads. And the beauty of Easy Cash for Ads, you not only earn referral commission, you can also earn passive commission as well. So it is a great bonus income that you can earn income from within the Second Splash funnel. And you can even promote Easy Cash for Ads as a standalone product. So it's worth joining it. It's worth putting it into your bonus income. It's worth putting it into your bonus income tab here within Second Splash, and then that way you can start to earn an additional income stream. So you're just promoting one link and you're earning multiple income streams. Let me show you the system now that our team's put together for you. This is very professionally done. It's all free. When you join our team, there'll be a link in the description. You can watch this video here. And then what happens is when you we give you some share code. So you join Leads Leap. I'll show you in here now. Got a video tutorial. So what happens is you join Leads Leap, and then when your prospects opt into this page here, they get, so you just promote this this page here, they get taken through to this page here, and then they join Second Splash here through your affiliate link, and then they join Leads Leap here through your affiliate link. And it's a real simple setup funnel. Got a video tutorial how to set it all up. You'll just promote one link and a very freshly done lead capture page, and then we give you all these share codes here to set all this up. You don't have to do this. It's not compulsory. It's just an option. But what I want to do is teach you how to set up a system where you promote one link and you earn multiple income streams, and you earn multiple recurring income streams. So you just copy and paste these leads, these share codes into the back of Leads Leap, and then this is a done for you funnel. So these video tutorials here, very simple, very beginner friendly. It's just a video here that takes you step by step how to copy and paste and set it all up. And then what happens is when you promote this funnel and then your leads go to join Leads Leap, you can earn monthly recurring commissions, even as a free Leads Leap member. And you'll see here I'm back in live in my Leads Leap account, and Leads Leap I've earned $442. So these are from Pro upgrades. You'll see that from here some of the Leads Leap free members do upgrade to Pro, and then you would earn 25% monthly recurring commissions. We recommend you upgrade to Pro within Leads Leap, and then you'd earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. And the great thing about joining Leads Leap is you can not only create the great funnels like I've just shown you there, you can use Leads Leap to build any online business, not just Second Splash, not just Easy Cash for Ads, but you can use all these tools and all this traffic to build any online business. And you can get a free lifetime membership when you join. So a very, very simple system we've created for you. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube journey. And please give me a share if you can think of anybody who would get value, or any groups that you're in that would get value from this video. I'd appreciate that as well. If you'd like to see some more videos from me, please click subscribe and the bell icon. I'm currently doing several new videos every week. and I've got over 900 videos now on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about Second Splash or Easy Cash for Ads or Leads Lead, this whole system, we have jumped around a little bit today, but it's very, very simple. You just promote one link, and as a free member, you earn monthly recurring commissions. And then if you decide you want to upgrade, you'll earn higher commissions. So, and you're also going to get viral passive traffic from this system. So put those questions in the comments. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'm also going to put my email address in the description. So if you want to contact me direct through email, then you can do so. So the link in the description will take you to the free video tour. Join Second Splash, set up a free account, and come into here, into the dashboard, and then just go into how all this works. And you can have a really good look around here, and everything's explained, and you can decide whether you want to, if you want to join Second Splash, not join, you will have joined, but if you want to promote Second Splash and start to earn those additional income streams and add this traffic source to your portfolio. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.